Hi everyone. I'm just spending some time walking around outside in nature. It feels really good to do that. It brings a lot of peace to me, peace to my heart and mind, and also it's easier for me to let go the activities of the day after having a long day at work. Sometimes I like to just go for a walk with or without my partner Naomi and just enjoy being amongst the trees and all of nature's elements. Since I do live in a big city, I have this more desire to sometimes spend time alone out in the woods or nature. As you can see, there's actually a lot of big buildings close by. So even finding a green space in the city is amazing. It's really wonderful what nature does to your psyche. Helps you realign with your own heart and mind to bring you peace. It also amplifies your senses, and that's what I want to talk about today. Nature has this incredible way of amplifying your senses. So what I'm saying is that it nature supports us in our spiritual growth. It also helps us to harmonize our psyche in a way where we feel happy in our heart, peaceful inside ourselves. I seem to be repeating myself, but that's pretty much really very simple. The way it just kind of brings you back into alignment with who you are in the present moment. So I would say that nature is a portal to the present moment. There's so much joy out in being out and outdoors. I don't know, it's really sometimes hard to describe and put it in words. There's so much serenity and peace and just being with yourself, with your own thoughts and emotions. And I think I encourage everyone to get outside and to experience just being alone out in nature. There's something incredible about that. It really clears the mind, regulates the mood, calms the nervous system down, and brings more clarity to life's challenges and difficulties. So I would say from my own experience, being out in nature is like meditation for me. When I walk around, I like to sense the ground underneath me, feel that earth underneath my feet. I like to look around and sense the energies around me, feel the tree spirits. I can really sense that trees are really aware beings. They're way ahead of us in our collective evolution. They got so much stillness and peace about them. And they also have a quite unique personality. Every tree's got a unique personality. Some like to actually be hugged, and some don't. You have to ask for permission to hug a tree. Yeah, actually, tree hugging is really a great way to get yourself grounded. And of course, walking barefooted on the ground. I think it's probably easier to walk barefooted when the weather warms up. But what I wanted to say is that nature really expands our senses. It increases our intuition. It realigns with the part of us that is bigger than ourselves. But this bigger part of ourselves actually is who we really are. We are one with nature. We are nature. We can't be separate from nature. It's a part of us. There's all kinds of things we can do to distract ourselves. We can go on social media, spend hours on a computer. But at what cost? We feel like we're out of alignment. So if we want to get back in harmony and with the flow of life, we got to spend a little more time out in the woods. We have to kind of set aside some time to just connect with all the beautiful nature beings around us. I can see that everything's blossoming, leaves are coming out. Right now at this time, I'm just standing here overlooking the Humber River. I like to particularly walk around rivers, but it's a little bit of a distance to get down there, so I don't feel like it right now. But I am really enjoying being here on the top of the hill here, overlooking the valley. When I'm out in the woods, I like to listen to all the sounds. The birds singing, the river flowing. It's like you listen with your whole body. And I also like to look at everything, just looking at it, just as it is, without thinking. And there are times where I feel like I want to touch nature. It's funny how a lot of people assume that you can just touch anything in nature, but you almost like you have to kind of stand back and ask the nature being in front of you quietly to yourself, can I touch you? Because they have their own life. And their own personality. In their own space. We have forgotten that connection, that deeper connection with nature, where we find everything sacred and everything has a sacred boundary. We've broken so many boundaries in our urban developments. We have to find our way back to this connection with nature. Nature with the outdoors and the wilderness. Spend more time in meditation. Meditation, I'm meaning not necessarily have to repeat a mantra, or just being aware of your surroundings around you without judgment and without thinking. Detach from thinking and just look. Just feel, just sense. Just listen. Just be aware. This will bring you to a deeper place within yourself, connecting with your own heart, your own presence, and your own joy. It will bring more joy into your life and inner happiness. I hope this video helped. And if you want to subscribe to more of my videos on my channel, please subscribe below. Much love, and hope you find time to go outside and enjoy nature.